What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. We're here on my house doing a review on the Danny Gray seat Airhawk. All right, so I put a couple thousand, I say probably 2,000 miles already on it since the last time I got on it. I went to a bunch of places. The bike's looking great. So here I'm gonna do is a review on the seat. Great seat, very comfortable. There's actually two seats that this thing does have. So this one is the one that has the Airhawk in it, right in there. As you can see, there's like a little hump right there. Let me see if I can focus this in. So you could pump it. Actually, let me show you real quick. You could pump it actually from the side here. Pump it here. See that? And you can hear it. And like I said, when you don't want it no more, then okay, so let me do a review on this real quick. Let me pump it up a little bit. All right, so this is the good thing and the bad thing about this seat. All you guys want to know. So when I went to Daytona, I rode on this, and this part right here, it has like two humps from the Airhawk that it goes on. So the problem is that when I got there, my butt was hurting because these two things right here were pinching into one of my butt cheeks, one on the left side and one on the right side. So it kind of gave me a little pain. I don't know if I had pumped it up too much or in the middle. So now that I on my way back, I was like, you know what, let me disinflate it. So what I did was I pressed this button, pressed the button, and it let all the air out. So now it's flat. It still has the little cushion on it, but it actually is very more comfortable without the Airhawk seat. So if you guys want to buy this seat, definitely, in my opinion, I would have gotten it without the air pump. Forget about the air pump. The seat is comfortable itself without the air pump. So I left it like that. My wife, she gets on it. She really didn't give me too much of a review, but we kept it at medium length on her for her butt. And then she doesn't really complain about it, so she's good. But me, I like to keep it flat, as you can see. And it's good. So in all reality, the review on this Airhawk seat, it's good, but I would have rather gotten it without the pump, just straight up seat. It's a lot cheaper, definitely a lot cheaper. All right. Got for rotors. The bike is clean. I cleaned it up the other day. Looking good. There you go. All right, so there's the Airhawk. I'm gonna put the seat on real quick. I mean the backrest, as you can see right there. Bang. Lift that up. Just pop this sucker in right there. And there you go. Just tuck this in. All right, so let me give you a review about this seat. Very comfortable. You could actually adjust it so it could actually stay like right here, or you could reverse a little more back. It's cool for long rides. For short rides, I'm not a fan of, because I really don't like the back part of it. It's not my cup of tea on what it looks like. So I usually keep it off. Local rides, I actually just keep this on, and then this gives me a little support on my back, so it works out good for local rides. But when I'm going on long rides, I don't care how it looks. This thing definitely is worth it as far as long rides. I wouldn't do a long ride without a backrest. I mean, let me show you how the all angles looks. Like I said, I'm not a fan of how it looks. Maybe I think Harley does sell a cover. I probably want to getting a cover on it because it looks ugly in the back. See that? Other than that, you know what? It does its job. cannot complain about it. So one more time around. Yeah, and let me tell you, this back seat, this backrest is like $230 something. Was it worth it? Probably not. But you know, I don't know if you could put another backrest onto that. So other than that, the seat is very wide, very comfortable. Love it. Nice and sleek. It's not too thick. But like I said, definitely recommend the seat without the Airhawk without the Airhawk, the bubble pump, because it's a lot cheaper the other way around. So, and if you like, just put the butt buffer seat on it. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what it is. Okay, so this is the butt buffer seat. It's a padding, really good. I cannot complain. It keeps my butt nice and cool. Check it out. There it is. If you guys need your butt buffer, there's the phone number, there's the website. Let them know Barber CVO 19 sent you, and you go from there. See, this material that they have there is, it's like a gel. They use it for people with like handicap. People use this, and it's a really cool gel. So all it does technically is just put it right there. For long rides, it will not slip off or anything. So long rides, that's my setup. For short rides, you take this out, flatten it out, and that's for my local rides around. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about the Airhawk seat. If you recommend it, any questions, just hit me up in the comment below. All right, thank you, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.